Betta fish are able to live for a couple of weeks without water changes in perfect conditions, but this could harm their health in the long run. In tiny tanks or bowls less than 5 gallons, betta fish can go approximately 5 to 7 days without a water change in small, unfiltered tanks, as waste and toxins accumulate rapidly in limited spaces. In small tanks, weekly water changes may not suffice for their overall health. In larger, filtered tanks 5 gallons and above, bettas can go up to 2 to 3 weeks without a water change if the water quality is good and there is a filter to manage waste. However, it is still advised to do regular partial water changes around 20 to 30% per week to control nitrate levels. If the aquarium has live plants, they can absorb ammonia and nitrates, allowing bettas to go longer without a water change. Nonetheless, even in a tank with plants and a filter, it is still important to do partial water changes to avoid the accumulation of waste and to uphold the water quality. In conclusion, although bettas can withstand subpar conditions to some extent, consistent water changes are crucial for preventing illness and promoting their long-term health and well-being.